Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Circulon Nonstick Roasting Pan with Rack, a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience. This extra-large 17 by 13-inch roaster is designed with a durable U-shaped rack, ensuring your meats are perfectly elevated for optimal cooking. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it offers fast and even heat distribution, making your roasting experience seamless and efficient. The superior nonstick technology not only provides excellent food release but also makes cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. With its high-performance design, this roasting pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and its wide handles offer a confident grip, ensuring safety and ease of use. Plus, with a hassle-free lifetime guarantee, you can trust in the quality and durability of this kitchen staple. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or a weeknight dinner, the Circulon Nonstick Roasting Pan is your go-to for delicious and perfectly cooked meals every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.